Rich Tarani here with TMC. Thanks for watching. We're at Cloud Expo 2012. We're at the Jacob Javits Center. We're in Manhattan. And on our program today is Jeff Schneider. And he is the founder and CEO of Transcend Computing. Jeff, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
So tell me a little bit about what your company does.
Transcend Computing is a platform as a service provider. We have done a custom implementation of Amazon's PaaS layer that can be used on infrastructure as a service layers such as Eucalyptus or OpenStack.
And how does that help customers?
Well, one of the issues that many customers have is that they get lock-in with the Amazon platform and they want to break that lock-in. So they like portability of their applications to their own private data center or to other cloud providers.
Now there's been some platform wars, OpenStack, CloudStack. What do you think about that?
We love them all. We love them all. So we work on several infrastructure as a service layers, and it's too early to tell kind of who's going to win out in that space. So we are supporting the ones that we think are best in breed.
Excellent. Now, in terms of the types of customers you work with, is there any limitation, size, anything that we should know?
The bigger the better for us. So for people who are doing private cloud, it's often Fortune 500 companies, and we also are doing quite a bit with service providers.
Now, in the service provider space, you're enabling them to provide cloud platforms for their customers to compete in the space, right, in the market?
That's correct. So we've done custom implementations of Elastic Beanstalk, relational data services, Elasticache, and Elastic Load Balancer, which could be put on third-party cloud providers.
Now, in terms of trends in the market, what are you seeing?
We're seeing quite a bit of interest in public clouds. We're seeing some initial POCs, pilots for private clouds, and very much emphasis on the open source providers. So we are seeing guys like Piston and Eucalyptus get pulled into some real early deals.
Now, why are companies, do you think, going to the cloud? Is it an ROI thing, CapEx, OpEx, that kind of discussion? I mean, or do they have questions that lead you to think it's just a trendy thing?
I think it starts out with the CFO. There's a business case that's put together, they find some financial justification for doing it, but once they get into it, it's more of an agility play. They understand that they're able to make dev, test, and operations that much more agile, and I think that's what keeps it going.
So it's really a core competency issue. Focus on your core competency, let other people deal with the intricacies of the tech.
It is, and there's so much emphasis on competition and being able to bring new product to market that as much as we can make the enterprise more agile, the better they can compete with some of the hot startups of the world.
What's next for your company?
I can't tell you. No, we're going to continue down the path of building out platform as a service. So we will continue to build out some additional Amazon compatible environments for new clouds and new cloud providers.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.